This protocol reveals inter-brain synchrony in the collaborative dyads in the naturalistic environment by the fNIRS-Hyperscanning technique. The significant advantage of this technique is it allows investigation of real-time dynamics of two or more interacting brains.
Before beginning the experiment, start the near-infrared spectroscopy system for achieving a stable operating temperature. Then, adopt an elastic swimming cap to place the optode holder grid and prepare the NIRS caps as described in the text manuscript. For a channel with insufficient signals, use the lighted fiber optic probes to move the hair under the probe's tip to one side. Once the operating temperature stabilizes, ensure that the trigger receiver is active and set the measurement mode to event-related measurement. Prepare the lighted fiber optic probe to move hair aside. Instruct the participants regarding the details of NIRS measurement methods and not to look directly into the laser beams, as the laser beam may be harmful to the participants' eyes. Make the participants sit face-to-face to make sure they can see each other directly, and adjust the chair-to-table distance to make the participants sit comfortably. Turn on the laser button. Put the 4 optical fiber bundles loosely on the holder's arms without contact with the participants or chairs, and place the cap with the probe sets on the participant.